Okay, sis, welcome back. Y'all know what it is. It's another Come Cook With Me. So, I already told you guys today for my mukbang, I am doing a soul food fish fry Friday the 13th, right? Okay, so pretty much soul food is greens, cornbread, homemade macaroni and cheese, and I am going to fry some fish. Okay, so I want to come on here and show you guys about to chop his head off. He been bad, so he gotta go. Okay, so I'm going to chop his head off from right here at the end where it started. Okay, and I'm going to chop off any excess thing that I need to chop off. So let's go ahead and chop his head off. Oh, little fella. Ooh, Cherokee, you bad. You done chopped his head off. Well, he had to go, because I don't eat that part. Now, like these extra little fins like that, like right here. Now, it's already been gutted and cleaned, but I re-cleaned myself because, you know, I just don't know about everybody, you know. So, I'm going to cut these off too. These little fins, or what do you call them? I don't know. But these little things here, fins or fin, cut them off too. I mean, I ain't gonna cut the tail because it's good when it's crunchy. This one's probably good too when it's crunchy, but you know, it's all good. I don't need all that. I don't need all that. And I am going to fry him on camera, so you guys can see. I'm not going to fry my daughter a whole fish, because for the simple fact this fish has bones, and she never ate a whole fish like this before, and I am not trying to hurt my child, you know what I'm saying? So okay, now the scales, I don't have to clean that off or nothing like that, because like I said, he already did all that. So I am going to slide over my grease, and this is the grease I'm using. And I'm going to put him over to the side. Let's check on the mac and cheese. Woo, the mac and cheese is very bubbly and getting happy. My collard greens is getting happy already. In my collard greens, I have red crushed peppers. I have jalapenos in there. I have red bell pepper. I have bacon. And I also have ham hock. Okay? Yes, when I say soul food, honey, the real soul food. So let's get down with it. So I'm turning on my fire, and once this get hot, we'll be right back. Okay, sis, let's start laying in the fish. I am cooking my daughter flounder fish, and it has no bones. This is what it looks like. We don't do tilapia here, I'm sorry, but we don't do that here in this house. Okay, so I should have mixed in an egg with my fish to make it stick a little better. So you know what, I think I'm gonna go ahead and mix up an egg and then re-dip it, because it's not really sticking. Okay, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, see how my fish is really not sticking to the seasoning pack? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip it in an egg, and then I'm going to dip it, I'm going to double dip it. Put it like that. And it's going to fry a whole lot better. Okay? You see me dipping it in the egg. Now I'm going to dip it back in the seasoning. Am I going to dip it back in the egg? No. No need for all that. See how it's sticking now better? Now, that egg does wonders, honey. Don't be sleeping on that egg. Now I'm trying to hurry up so my daughter's fish won't overcook before this one is done. Which don't matter because she's still at school, you know. But I don't want to burn her fish. Trying to prepare my fish. See? Okay, my daughter's fish turning out perfect. Yes. Drop a comment down below, sis, if you guys like the whole fish too. I do, but you got to be careful on the bones, because if not, honey, you can choke. And if you choke on a bone, do not. I'm going to say this again. If you're choking on a bone, eating a whole fish, do not drink water. Oh, no, 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 no. You get some bread. Sis. Bread does the job and takes it away. I hope I'm not talking too loud, but I want you guys to hear me. See how good my daughter's fish is turning out? Not quite done yet. How she likes it. But I am going to flip mine. Just like that. And look, see how it sticks? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Let's check on our mac and cheese and see how we are doing. Ooh, she is bubbly and happy. Let me show y'all. Oh, oh, that's that mac and cheese for you. Oh, she not quite done yet. Ah, let me put her back for a minute. Put her back for a few more minutes. Ooh, that was hot. Dang, I almost dropped it. Big sis, you can't be dropping the grub. Okay, my daughter's fish is cooked, is done. Doesn't take much for flounder fish. It doesn't have any bones. And you don't want to cook it hard, okay? So her fish is done. My greens are done. My macaroni and cheese almost done. And my cornbread is done. And I see you guys when I plate and come back with my mukbang. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, sis, mac and cheese is out. Greens done. Cornbread is done. My fish almost done. And I just want to show you guys what it's looking like. But you know, I got to make sure it's, you know, my fish is, ooh, she looking good. Here, have a bite. You can have some. Put her back in there, quit playing. Okay, I'm going to plate. And I'll see y'all at the mukbang table. Hey sis, welcome back to my mukbang, bang, bang. And I'm about to bang your ass up. Oh shit. Damn, you look good. Okay, let's say our blessing. Let me show you guys up close. Check out the mac and cheese. Oh, that's the best part of the meal. Oh my goodness. You want the first bite, sis? OMG. Oh my God. Macaroni and cheese, homemade. My greens, sis. My cornbread. It's a little flat because I only use one box. And this is my whole fish. Now, I don't know how to do no thumbnail, but screw that thumbnail. I'm hungry. Oh, that is so good. I wish I could send you guys a plate. I really do. Because I don't like teasing nobody, honey. And I got ham hock up in my greens. And they're spicy. Oh, they're delicious. Food make me dance. You cannot have macaroni and cheese, greens, and fish with no cornbread. It just don't go together. You got to have that cornbread on deck. Y'all, look how flat my cornbread is. Oops. That's because I only use one box. We don't need all that cornbread like that. That's too much bread. So, this is lunch. As you guys already know, like I said, I cook for lunch and for dinner. So, this is Big Sis Soul Food Fish Fry Friday the 13th. What y'all gonna do tonight? Friday the 13th. I know what I'm gonna do. I got popcorn in there. I got the theater butter in there. I got the nacho seasoning and ranch. And I'm gonna watch some scary movies. As long as my daughter here. If she ain't here, y'all know I ain't watching them by myself. Now, I got the Red Rooster. You already know I got Doctor on deck. Now, this fish, I think I probably should have just cut it, a little piece of it off. Because I'm not going to eat this whole thing, but sis, you got to be careful when you eating fish like this. The bones, man, I'm telling y'all. Oh, and it's so good. Like I said, if you ever choke on a bone, do not drink water. You have to have bread. Okay? Now, the other fish I like, I forgot the name of this one. It's not tilapia. I don't do tilapia. I like bluegill. Oh, that's the little bitty fish. Oh my God, I got a lot of bone. And the seasoning I use on this fish, let me let you see how crispy it is. Okay, I use the Louisiana, and like I said before, you do not have to add no salt on your fish. Don't add. If you do, you just add too much. And that's the water from my hair, y'all. Oh yes, I'm in a different top. Y'all already know I like off the shoulders. I like to show my big ass arms. I don't give a damn. I'm still sexy, Big Sis. Okay. So like I was saying, you don't have to put salt. If you do, you over salting your fish. Yes. Oh my God, this is so good. It was hot. Oh, the meat just slide right off the bone. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. And that skin, though. Look at that skin. Girl. Big sis, you be throwing the fuck down. I know. Okay. Oops, look at these bones. This shit will kill you. You see what I'm saying? You got to, when you eat fish like this, I don't care how much you hungry, you better take your time and eat that fish, because you're gonna choke, you're gonna kill yourself if you don't. Oh my God, please don't drop this. I want to eat it. Look at that cheese, though. Am I making you hungry? I'm sorry. Oh, that was so good. That macaroni and cheese came out just right. I took it out just on time. Look at that. Woo! I love macaroni and cheese. I don't like that box shit. I grew up on this. You already know I'm getting food. Oh, and I want to show you guys. I bought these greens in a bag at the grocery store, right? So when I got ready to cook them, I'm like, damn. These greens have more of these stems than the greens. I have to take all these out. I don't like that in my greens. Do y'all? I don't like them. I didn't buy that to eat stems. I didn't buy greens to eat stems. Ooh, I like that ham hock fat back. You see it? I'm done. This shit good. Now I made this today, right? And today is September. I would not, sis, I would not be making soul food no more, because Thanksgiving coming, and I like to make greens, macaroni and cheese, cornbread. I mean, all the works, dressing. I won't be making it again. Oh my God, this fish is so tender. Look at them bones. I see your ass. You ain't getting up in my throat, but I want the skin. It's the part I want. With the skin on it. And once you, let me show you. Once you eat it all the way down, the meat, you could take this bone and you could just lift it just like that. See? And it'll peel right on off. Oh, this is getting full, y'all. Y'all know I can't eat a lot. My mukbangs be what, 5 minutes long? I don't know, but I think I gotta choke down this mac and cheese. I can't let this go, because once it's cold, you know it's nasty. Okay, take one bite for the road. Where's my camera at? And I use that carbonation milk in my shit. I don't use regular milk. I like my shit tastes good. Okay. I already feel it. I'm getting the nigga-itis. My eyes getting heavy, my stomach full, I'm getting sleepy. You know what the nigga-itis is. Like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome, welcome, welcome to all my new sisters in the house. My videos are straight up real, straight up raw. This is what you get. This is what it is. So I don't know how to edit. I'm only working with a Android phone until I could be able to afford to buy me a new computer, which I could learn how to edit and do all that. But right now, this is what you're gonna get from Big Sis, okay? And I'm sorry if you don't like my. Well, nobody ain't never said they didn't like my videos, but I like how they be doing different pictures. One day I'm gonna get there too. So, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your notification bell on so you know what. I'm back at your door with another mukbang that I can't finish. Lord. Excuse me. I'll see y'all on the next one.